Hello guys, it's me again, Esther, and welcome back to the channel Edtech Simplified. I know that there are many people that want to up their video editing and content creation game in the new year. And if it's gonna be video content, you sure need top-notch video editors, right? Yeah, I also know that not everyone will be able to employ an editor, or you want to test out your own creativity, so you really want to do this stuff yourself. Yeah, and that's why I'm making today's video. In this video, I want to share 3 top free video editor apps that you should use on your mobile phone. You don't need a laptop for these apps. You use them on your mobile phone. It could be iOS, that's Apple, or it could be Android. So these apps work on both iOS and Android. And the first app is inshot. Inshot is quite popular, like you hear it everywhere, and I love inshot because it's easy to use. Now, when I started out, I prefer to actually edit my reels on inshot. That's where I edit my reels. You rarely find me using the Instagram app itself to edit my reels, to trim or whatever. I use inshot because the app is easy to use. It's super smooth. It has trimming, transition, filters. You could add background music, you could add effects, you could blur. Although some top-notch filters are available on the paid version, but the paid version is not that expensive if you're willing to pay for it, okay? And another thing I love about inshot is that it exports in 4K. Yeah, 4K is a high resolution, and if you have an app that does that, you have the best. So yeah, the first one is inshot, and it is easy to use. That's the advantage it has over other apps. It is easy to use. The second one is CapCut. If you've been using inshot in the past years or in the past year, maybe it's time to actually take it, a step higher, a level higher, and try out CapCut. CapCut is more professional. It's not like it's very professional, it's just more professional than inshot. One of the things I love about CapCut is the text formats, the fonts and all that. They are so up to date, and when you use them in your videos, it looks so professional. It's not all wacky and all that. So if you want to look more professional, if your videos are not, if you're no longer at that introductory stage and you want to take it a bit higher, CapCut is your best bet. I know I said that CapCut is more professional, but I do not mean that it's difficult to use. It's easy to use, as easy as inshot, just that the body of features in CapCut are fancier than what you will find in inshot, right? Fancy, yes, that's the word. They are fancier, like up to date. And if you want to look more professional, if you've been using inshot before, maybe it's time to explore CapCut. Last one is vneditor. This one isn't that popular, but it does the job very well. The interface itself is super professional, and one thing I love about this one is the filters. Oh my, the filters are amazing, especially the ones available on Pro. I mean, you could get fantastic filters on the free version, but if you take it up, just up your game a little bit and move on to the Pro, oh my god, you would even love it more. Just like I like the filter feature on vneditor, I know that as a professional content creator yourself, you would find the aesthetic useful because it's even more professional than CapCut and inshot. You can do whatever it is on the go. The interface, although it looks a bit professional, it's very easy to use, but I love that it looks professional and that the video and that the end product is also very professional, and you can export in 4K, which is another plus. So you may be thinking, but which one is the best? That's hard to say. There is no best really. Even for me, I use them for different purposes. If I need to do a light video, maybe like a reel, I use InShot. If I need to do something more professional and add some subtitles, I use CapCut because I love the font. Now, if I want to get more professional, I use vneditor. So it all depends on what stage you are in your content creation game and what are your needs. So there's no best one, but these are the top 3 that you should definitely have on your mobile phones. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions on video editors, and if you do have comments or recommendations too, please leave them in the comment section. And I would see you in the next video. But before I go, do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and like this video if it has been helpful to you. See you. Bye.